how to create a bouncing live photo on iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Photos. In Photos, we're going to tap on Albums tab at the bottom. And then we swipe up to go down and select the Live Photos album. In here, open up a photo that you want to create the bouncing live photo. And then in here at the top, tap on the drop down list and then select bounce. Now you will see the video in the live photo will play back and forth. So you can see the watch here. It's go forward and then reverse backward. And there is the leaf down here at the bottom. It will roll forward and then backward. So that is how you can create a bouncing video from the picture on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.